What's going on, guys? Brennan here with Hawks Outdoors. Hey, I got something special to show you all today. Just to introduce, this is Brian from Liquid Springs, my rep, and he went ahead and brought this out for us to show to a customer. Check it out. It is a full liquid spring suspension on a F250.
This one's a 350.
This one's a 350. I'll let him explain just a little bit as far as brief explanation on it so he can give you a little more.
Yeah, so I'll kind of give you the basic overview of kind of what we're doing, how the system works, things like that. So it's a hydraulic-based suspension. We're using compressible silicone fluid. The fluid itself is about 6 to 8% compressible. And essentially what we're doing is we're replacing all of your leaf springs, all of your coils. We're replacing it with our suspension, everything you see in red here. And essentially how it works. So we're reading ride height, acceleration, braking, steering, as well as an onboard accelerometer. So we're taking those inputs 1,000 times a second, and we're adjusting spring rate and damping on the fly in 40 milliseconds. It's load leveling, so you can put a bunch of weight on the back. It's never gonna have any droop or sag. It adds a hell of a lot more stability. Basically how it works, if you wanna get in there, you got your strut, and you have a secondary volume attached to each strut with the rate valve in between, and that's what we're adjusting. We can keep that rate valve open and compress all the fluid between both cylinders. There's your soft spring rate. We close that rate valve, ramp up the spring rate, or we can pulsate it all on the fly, 40 milliseconds.
Sounds good, guys. Hey, man, this is sick. This is a new partner that we just got on with. Definitely want to check this out. Come to Hawks Outdoors, man. We'll get you something like this.